What's up everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Albert and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn this into this in a very quick and easy way with the help of the BeBuilder. So let's get started. What I would like to show you today is called Transform in CSS. The transform lets you rotate, scale, skew or translate any element the way you like. It simply modifies the coordinate space of the CSS. To make it as easy as possible for you, we've added extra tab in the Advanced tab for each element available in BeBuilder. Therefore, to transform any element, all you need to do is catch the element, go to the Advanced Transform tab, and then set values in such a way as to get exactly what you need. You can choose from such options as Translate X, Translate Y, Scale X, Scale Y, Skew X, Skew Y and Rotate. What's more, you can also transform elements in a hover state. To do this, go to the Hover tab and adjust the sliders to your needs. Additionally, on the hover, you can set the transition duration for an even more eye-pleasing animation. So, as you can see, you don't have to play with the CSS declarations anymore. Everything is available in the BeBuilder in the form of easy-to-use sliders. So, let's say we have 3 boxes with some text and images. What I would like to do is rotate each box a bit on hover. To do this, all I have to do is go to the Advanced tab of each image and at the very bottom open Transform tab. Now, go to Hover tab and set right value for rotate slider. It's that simple. From now on, each box will rotate a bit on hover, just like on the example I've shown you at the beginning of this video. You can basically do whatever you want with transform in both regular and hover states. It's entirely up to you how to use it. I hope I've explained how transform works as simply as possible, and if you didn't know them yet, you will use them much more in your projects from now on. If there is anything I missed, just let me know in the comment section down there below. And as always, thanks for watching and remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we release a new video. And if you have more questions, please visit our support center at support.muffingroup.com.